Okay, let's work a little bit more on our box. So what we're going to do is we are going to make a little hole right here. And you click on the ellipse tool. It's right below the T right there. So you just want to right click that and make sure you are on the ellipse tool right here in case you're on the rectangle tool. Click that once, and I'm just going to make an ellipse maybe about that big where the tissue will come out of. Then I'm going to click on the selection tool. I'm going to click Alt on my keyboard and move in a little bit. And I'm just going to adjust this to where it says center there. See how it says center right in the middle? And just release. Okay, so that should fit pretty nicely. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize this a little bit, and you can customize your box in the way that you want to. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some custom shapes onto this side here. So in order to do that, I'm just going to go back to the ellipse tool, and I'm just going to right click it, and I'm going to use actually a polygon tool right here. You can choose any shape you like. And I'm just going to zoom in using my Alt button in my keyboard. And then I'm just going to click and make this that size. Actually, I'm going to do this a bit of a different way. I'm going to make sure I'm on the ellipse tool, and I'm just going to, make sure I am on the polygon tool. And I'm going to click once, and you can change how many sides your polygon has. So I'm going to do a 7-sided polygon. So click OK. So there it is. I'm going to use my selection tool. I'm just going to kind of place it, let's say right there. I can rotate it if I want, do all kinds of stuff to it. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to hold Control on my keyboard, and I'm going to tap C, which will copy it. And then I'm going to hold down Control on my keyboard again, and then I'm going to tap V, which will paste it. So that's Control C, Control V. Okay, and I'm just going to see that little pink line there. That's going to kind of make sure they're on this same, there we go, make sure they're intersecting there. And then I'm going to do the same thing, Control C, Control V. Actually, I don't think I have to hit Control C anymore. I can just hit Control V, and that will just copy and paste. So I'm going to put a bunch kind of just across this way here. I'm going to go, I think, can I fit one more in? I'm going to leave it like that for now. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my mouse and highlight them all and hit Control C, Control V, and that will make another copy of them, and I can put those a little bit lower. So as you can see, I'm just going to hit Control V again. You can come up with kind of a cool pattern fairly quickly. And just almost got one more here. So, I mean, this is just a quick example. And I think I'd probably move these over a bit to make them a little better spaced out. But it's just an example of how you can get a pattern going on one of the sides of your box. So that's, that'd be kind of a cool pattern there. Looking over here, I'm going to add some more customized things on this side. And in the next video, we'll go over bringing in images and how to image trace them and then kind of get them onto the side of the box here.